I am still opening packages, and today we're gonna open this big boy. I should probably adjust my camera a little bit. Okay, camera can barely capture it, but basically, I don't know what this is. It was recently my birthday. A lot of people bought stuff from my Throne page, which is a wish list where you can buy me stuff. I will put a link in the description. Why is this so hard to open? Oh, there we go. Oh, pole mount. Oh, it's the what? Oh, it's the tablet holder. It's a tablet holder. It's a tablet holder. Oh, it's two different products, but they put them in the same packaging. I'm gonna review only the tablet holder. This one is a USB charger. Watch my other video for the review of that. But they were both gifted by Rushka GG, which is my homie that I love so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't usually get a ton of gifts or gifts at all for my birthday. So this year, like, thanks to Throne, like, it's been wild. I appreciate all of you. Thank you. So, okay, this already looks robust. And then we have the actual holder. Nice. Oh, that's a thick boy. Also, you like my new, like, there's no sound there. I'm just wearing them because I just got done reviewing them. Earmuffs for my headset. Okay, here it is. Also, yeah, that's metal. Okay. Then you have kind of like a swivel head. Ow. Why did that hurt? How does it swivel? Ooh, it has teeth. Can you hear that? So that ain't going no. Why is it so high quality? What is happening? This is the best quality swivel head I've ever had for any equipment. And I have a lot of equipment. And then we have this. That is plastic. That is also plastic. That's weird. This says multifunctional, easy to install, 360 rotation, adjustable. Cenawind heavy duty. All right, there's no instructions, so we're gonna figure it out. Let's see what's in the back of the actual mount. We have 1/4" thread plus little teeth for that. Cool. So if you want to directly put this on a tripod, you can. And guess what? I just figured that out. You can also set it on a tripod directly there, or a different like ball head, which is pretty versatile and really cool. As I said, I have a bunch of equipment, so this is going to be very useful. Oh, I just realized I probably had the wrong order for this, but let's start. We have the little mount here. We're going to do this, and this is going to give us access to the ball head mount, or that specific. I usually don't like this specific type, but what do I have to do? Okay, this was hard, but it's tight in there. This is where the metal head goes. You just have to probably push it. Okay, maybe we should completely remove it. I'm gonna put it in there. Nice. Nice. Now I can mount it. Beautiful. And now it is pretty tight. And I'm guessing the more I tighten this, the harder it'll be. Cool. And that's how you have like an adjustable, very sturdy ball head. Now remember the part that I said was going to be on a tripod head? I was wrong. It actually goes right in here. This also looks like some of my light stand heads. So you should slip it here. If it doesn't go all the way through, just loosen this. There you go. And now you can tighten it. Then at the bottom, we're going to have a 1/4" thread. So that goes in any universal tripod or monopod or even some selfie stick at least. And yeah, there you have it. And it fits a tablet. I'm going to grab my tablet so we can do like a weight test to make sure that this ball head can handle it. But I'm already happy that I have a mount like this. Oh, a little light. Not a lot of compression force, but I'm guessing if it's super extended, then it's going to be tighter. I need to get a wide angle lens for this camera, but this is my tablet. I'm going to fold it with the thing. Nice. So this is what the case looks like. And let's find a way of putting this. Oh, there it is. Of course, it doesn't fit perfectly with the case, but this is still... I'm going to have the teeth go over it like that, so that works. But yeah, so tablet plus case, it holds. It holds, and it holds pretty well. Let me go main camera to actually show you. I was working out today, so my arms hurt. There it is. No problem whatsoever. Now, if you're going to use this on a tripod or like on a boom pole, you definitely want to put some counterweights, because just holding it like that, I can feel the weight, right? And let's say I want to tilt it. And it holds, no problem whatsoever. Even if I shake it, it doesn't change position. Oh, my arm. Let's change position again. And it's 360. So you can put it in whatever position you want. Pretty cool. So as usual, I'm going to put the link to this product or an equivalent in the description. It is probably going to be an affiliate link. I am very satisfied so far. First of all, Rushka, thank you so much for getting me this. And if I encounter any problems, I will put it in the pinned comment. Just keep in mind that the teeth don't extend to accommodate your case. So think about that if you have a heavy case like mine. But if you have a simple like rubber case all over it, it should be fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.